hey, let's go out and screw these hedge funds. Okay, well, that's basically what's been happening, and that's basically what today's video is about. And today's video is about something that's very near and dear to my heart, and that's just how I personally feel. And that is this the end of Robinhood trading? Well, first off, I just want to say really quickly that I am not part of the whole Robinhood thing. I'm up here in Canada. We have not Robinhood. We have Wealthsimple and a few others. I don't know how they work, but I am with a bigger brokerage called TD. And I really haven't had any issues. The only issue was when I was trying to buy a couple of options of Sundial when it opened yesterday. And yeah, I made off really well. But yeah, that's a good trade. That's not this video, however. Is this the end of Robinhood trading? That's going to be the question that a lot of people have this weekend. Is Robinhood dead? People are ticked off at them. And what's their IPO going to look like? So first off, I'm going to say right now, the last numbers I've seen, the most recent, are 16 or 19 million users on their platform. And apparently 60% of them invested in things like GameStop, Sundial, AMC, Aurora. Oh my god, there's so many. But anyways, they are basically trying to squeeze the shorts into to buying back their shares. If you don't know what short selling is, that's totally fine. You can go check out my video on this channel. It's very recent. Literally, I've posted a ton of these videos recently, but literally today. But from there, I usually post 3 a week, and I'm doing probably 5 today. And basically, what's going to happen with it? That's the question. What a lot of people are saying. So basically, what has happened is Robinhood is a free trading platform. You can put money in there, and there's no commissions. They make money somehow. I didn't look into it. I don't need to look into it. From there, basically what happens is people are allowed to use that platform to trade without using commissions, which means that you can do a ton of trades. And from there, you can use margin and all this other stuff, just like you would normally do on a normal trading platform. But what happened yesterday was they said you are no longer allowed to buy or use margin or anything like that on anything that's to do with any of this social media Reddit stuff like AMC, GameStop, Sundial, all of those other stocks. And now that's pissed off at least 60% of them. So you're basically looking at a massive 5, maybe 9 million, 10 million people you've just literally pissed off. And from there, those people are probably going to leave your system. You now, just before your IPO, dumped literally half of your customers right before your IPO. The reason why they said this, and there's a lot of speculation as to why they did it, but for the facts that we get on the news, basically what we get from them is they didn't have the money, they needed to fund some money because they just are almost broke. Now the third one's probably not true, but they didn't have enough money to run their float, and if you don't know what any of that is, don't worry. You don't need to know. All you really need to know is they didn't have the money to do anything, which is why they had to draw down $1 billion loan, which is ridiculous. Now, when a company draws down $1 billion loan, that's massive. Like, when you're just about to go on the stock market, you basically took, I don't know, may have been a $20 billion, $30-40 billion company. You just literally took, a good 4 or 5% of what your company market value is in a loan. That's huge. That is going to dump their IPO price like crazy. Number 2, they lost half their subscriptions, dumps it like crazy. Is it the end? Probably not. They're still going to IPO. They're still going to be a thing in the future. But as of right now, their company is not looking any good. I wouldn't buy them at IPO. When it comes to Robinhood type trading, the free type of trades, I think that's going to continue. There is a business plan behind it that is something that works. As of right now, they have limited the trades of GameStop to 1, Sundial to 1,200, Aurora to, I think it's maybe 40 or something. But either way, they are limiting trades still. So I personally think that what's going to happen over the next couple of days is these people who just basically got pissed off from Robinhood are going to go over to another trading platform and continue what they have been doing. Now, some of the thoughts and theories and things online that people think about Robinhood is, the Victor guy apparently is friends with these short sellers, or maybe he's a short seller or whatever. I'm not going to get into that, but that is a theory that's out there. If it's true, then it's really bad for him because he's probably going to go to jail. Anyways, that's my thoughts. I hope that you've enjoyed. I probably didn't talk about anything this video. I just gave my thoughts. I'll see you guys again next time.